This question, SAT practice test, question 16, exponents question. So you are supposed to apply exponent rules here for this question. So let's check the rules. I would like to stress on a few rules you are supposed to know. So just the rules for exponents. For example, if you need to multiply x squared times x to the third power. So the common mistake, most of the students multiply the exponents. They say x to the sixth power. So I only say, please don't do this. It is not correct. X squared times x to the third power or x cubed, you are supposed to keep the base same. By the way, to multiply them, you are supposed to have the same base. And then you are gonna add the top. It's gonna be x to the fifth power. So, and another way, people are confused for the multiple things. How about the x to the second power to the third power? So I'm gonna add them? No, it's different. Power of power, you are gonna multiply them. It's gonna be 2 times 3 is equal to x to the sixth power. How about that? So let's say x squared times in parentheses x to the fourth plus x to the fifth. Here, still like distributive properties apply. So if you remember from your classes, x squared times x to the fourth power, and then I'm going to multiply x squared times x to the fifth power. It's going to be x squared times x to the fourth power plus the same plus in the middle, as you see, x squared times x to the fifth power. So here it's gonna be addition. This is not power of power. This is the power of power. It's different. So you need to use the distributive property here, x squared times x to the fourth power plus x squared times x to the fifth power. Here it's gonna be x to the 2 plus 4 plus, and then x to the 2 plus 5. These are the exponents, powers. It's going to be 2 plus 4 is 6, x to the 6th power, plus 2 plus 5 is 7, x to the 7th power. These are the common rules I would like to stress for this question. Same rules apply for the numbers in front of them. For example, let's say like I would like to 2x squared plus 4y squared. So if I would like to write an equivalent expression as it's asking in the question, so I am looking for the common factors for in each here, both of them. So x and y, they are not the same variable. I cannot find the common factor for them. But how about the 2 and 4? 2 and 4, I can find the common factor. For the 4, it is 2 times 2. The 2 is common, as you see. So how I'm gonna write again equivalent. I will do 2 common factors. I will write 2 and open parentheses, put the rest into parentheses. It's gonna be here for the first one, it was 2x squared, and I have 2 here. What left? X squared. Here is 4, and 2 times 4 is 2, and then 2 times 2 is 4, and what left? Y squared left. I'm going to put the y squared here. So it's going to be how it should be. So, and then I will write down here for you. It's going to be x squared because x squared left, plus it's 4, as you see. 2 times what is 4? Of course it is 2. And what left? Y squared left here. Now, let's start to solve this question. So it's going to be very similar here. So as you see, the first one is 6x to the 8th power y squared plus 12x squared y squared. Now I am looking for the common ones. First of all, I see y squared is common. In each term, I see y squared. And then, how about the x squared? Is there any x squared in x to the 8th power? Yes. Why? Because x to the 8th power is equal to x to the second power times x to the second power times x to the second power times x to the second power. Why? Because when you multiply them, I just add up the exponents, and it's gonna be x to the 8th power. That means x to the 2nd power in x to the 8th power. How about the 6 and 12? So like 6 here by itself. How about 12? I have in the 12 6 times 2. As you see, 6 here is common factor. So I can put it out. I can put this in front of the parentheses. Okay, let's start to work on this question. Let's start for y square. First of all, y square is what? So whenever I put the y square outside of the parentheses. Okay, this is the first thing. And then this is my y square. I just use a different color for it to understand better. And I will start work on the x now. So, and then use the different color. Let's use the green for x. This is x squared. This is x to the 8th power. So x squared, x to the 8th power. As I said before, always x to the 8th power, x squared times x squared times x squared times x squared. The reason is because when you multiply them with the same base x, you need to add the exponents. And as you see, as a result, I will find the same thing, x to the 8th power. So if I put the x to the 2nd power here, so I mean, let's highlight this, x to the 2nd power. And then I am wondering what left. I did not ask this for the y square, because whenever I put the y square here, just nothing left. Actually, there is only 1 left here. So 1 times y square is y square. But 1 is invisible, so it doesn't change anything. That's why I did not put 1 here. But for x to the 8 and x square is different, because here I use one of them, and what left? Only 3x square left. It means x to the 2nd power plus x to the 2nd power plus x to the 2nd power. I just add up them. So it's going to be x to the 6th power left, as you see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this x to the 2nd power, 6th power here. So if I change the color here, if I use one of them, just this 3 is left, and then it makes this x to the 6th power, and I add them in the parentheses. Okay. By the way, x to the 6th power is only for the first one. So, and then I use x squared, is nothing left for the second one. All right, how about the numbers? So let's check the numbers. For the numbers, like we have here in the first one, we do have 6. In the second one, we do have 12. So let's use a different color to highlight them. I will use yellow. So this is 6, this is 12. So 6 and 12. So 6 means like the factors of 6, 6 times 1, factors of 12, 6 times 2. So if you are looking for the common factor, there you go, it's your common factor. So if you write it down with using this, it's gonna be 6 my common factor. If I use the color, let's highlight that one. And if I use the 6, what left here is 1. 1 is invisible. That's why I did not put 1 here. 1 times x squared is x. 1 times x to the 6th power. It is x to the 6th power. So, and then what is gonna be? It's gonna be plus. Because of that, I will bring it down. And then which numbers left? I put this here, and then I see after I use this 6, we talk about the 1. Now 2 left. This 2 should go here. So, and then if I put this in the parentheses, 2 and close parentheses. Here, I use x square. I use x square here. There you go. And then I use y square here. It's here. There's no need to put here. For the 12, as you see, only 2 left. I put this 2 here. For the first one, 6 common factor is here. Y square common factor is here. X to the 8th power, I use x square here, but x to the 6th power, as you see, left in the parentheses, because I couldn't have the common factor for this. After I put the common factors outside of the parentheses, I got x squared y 6x squared y squared x to the 6th power plus 2. Correct answer for this question is C. Thank you.